I made $7,849 in 6 months on a brand new YouTube channel with less than 300 subscribers. The question is, how did I do it? Why did it work? And how can you do the same? So this all started last year when I decided to start a new channel and make videos about whatever I wanted. And so I called it The Joey Wynn Show. I know, super original. On this channel, the idea was to experiment with different videos, and I already had the first 3 figured out. I was gonna make videos about the brand new Tesla that I just bought, workout tutorials, I know, cringe, and then vlogs. Even more cringe. These were 3 completely different video formats, and I had no idea which one was gonna stick. But I knew that none of these videos were gonna be able to make money in the beginning through YouTube ads, so there had to be another way to make money. My first idea to make money was through Tesla's referral program, which I would have on my review video. I was first introduced to this when my friend got his Model 3 a few years earlier, and he told me that we can both earn 6 months worth of free supercharging if I used his link. So now that I had a Tesla, all I had to do was give my code to somebody else, and then we would both get 6 months of free supercharging. And although this wasn't going to be any money that I could use to pay for rent, at least it was something. It had already been half a year since I bought the Tesla, so I got to work on filming the first video, an honest review of my Tesla after 6 months. Then they got rid of the referral program, but since I already made the video and it was ready to post, I pressed publish anyways. The next day I woke up to see that it had only gotten a little over 50 views, and over the next few days I was only getting a handful of views. So naturally I thought, well, this was a flop, and I tried not to look at it so much. But I didn't give up, and I moved on to the next option of making money, which was through the Amazon Associates program. All you needed was a website to get started, and once you were in, you could promote any Amazon products and earn a commission off anybody who purchased using your link. Because I figured if referrals didn't work the first time,
then surely it should work this time around.
So I cracked open my laptop, looked up how to create a website, and got to work. By the way, after filming this video, I figured you guys would be wondering what platform I used to build a website, which was Hostinger. I actually still use them to this day. It's super easy to use as a beginner, and it only costs a few dollars per month. So I'll leave a link down below in the description for you guys to check them out. But anyways, let's get back to the story. Once I got approved, I started to leave links in the description for the viewers to buy essential upgrades and accessories for the Tesla through my Amazon links. The next morning, I decided to check up on my video, and I noticed that it actually started to gain some traction. This was super exciting to see because, again, this was a brand new channel, and I couldn't wait to start seeing a ton of clicks on my Amazon links. But even after my video got over 10,000 views in the first month, I only saw a few dollars come in during this time. But despite all these failures, my luck finally took a turn for the better when I checked my email and I saw that they were bringing back Tesla's referral program. This time, it was even better because instead of giving people 6 months of free supercharging, they would give that person $1,000 off a new Tesla and give me $500 that I could use towards anything in the Tesla store, like these cool Tesla socks. I was confident that this was something I could finally add to the Tesla review video that would give the viewers some value. I put the link up the same day, and within the first month, I got my first referral. And then the month after that, I got 3 more referrals. To this day, I've referred over 10 people. Some of them were able to get $2,000 off their brand new Tesla using my link, which is amazing to think about how I could help somebody save some money and also earn money for myself at the same time. Now, during this time, I also made a couple $100 off of my Amazon Associates account, so that wasn't too bad either. And although the referral credits weren't cash that I could spend on anything, it was still redeemable in things that I would have bought anyway, such as supercharging, snow chains, a roof rack, and much more. So now that we've gone through my story, I want to explain the top 3 reasons why it actually worked out and how this can help you too. First was that the topic had really high search demand. The Tesla community is growing at such a fast rate, and there are so many new people considering getting a Tesla nowadays. Which, by the way, fun fact, the Tesla Model Y was the best-selling car in the entire world in 2023, and it was the second best-selling car in 2024. The second biggest reason behind why I think this worked out for me was because I did a lot of research beforehand on thumbnails and titles and verifying that the video was good. So I was able to see a lot of the other creators, what they were doing with their review videos, and I could base mine off of what they did that worked, and then also add my own unique spin to it. So as a new creator, you don't always have to reinvent the wheel, but you also shouldn't just copy someone. For example, I didn't see many people talking about the 7-seater option for the Tesla, as well as how the car worked for pets, and so I added that to my video to make it more unique. Now the third thing, and this is probably the most important, is that people were watching the video with the intent to buy. And all I had to do was give them enough information and an incentive to move forward. Because it's such a big purchase, people are going to be wanting to do a lot of research before moving forward. They're going to be watching multiple videos, including mine, even if it has less views than the other one. Fast forward to today, I've created another review video on a calendar that I bought, and after taking the same approach, that video now has over 4,000 views and has converted over 150 sales. So what can you learn from my story to get the same success as a new creator with little to no subscribers? Well, first, I would say take something that you use in your everyday life that you really love and see if there's an affiliate program that you can sign up for. Once you find something that fits with your lifestyle naturally and it's something that you really love, then you can start to come up with an idea on how you can make a video that would give the audience some value. Second, don't underestimate the power of social media and organic marketing, and no, it's not too late and the market's not too saturated. People 5 years ago thought it was too late for them to get on YouTube, to get on social media, and then TikTok came out, and then there were 15-year-olds becoming millionaires. All while the same people who thought it was too late never got started. Even though there were already tons of videos out about Tesla Model Y and different reviews on Teslas, I made a video anyway because, again, I made it different. I saw that people weren't talking about the 7-seater option and how it worked with pets, and so I used that to make myself unique. I guarantee you there's always a unique angle that you can take, even if you think that it's too saturated and that the video topic is overdone. Now, I'm not even asking you to go ahead and create a long form video on YouTube with the highest level of production and the highest levels of editing. If you go on my channel and you watch the video, you can see that it was a pretty simple edit and it's mostly just me talking to the camera. The third thing is that you just need to get started. Everybody that blew up on YouTube or they blew up on TikTok, they got lucky because they got started and they started learning the platform. Chances are you just need to get started as well and stop overthinking the process. And then lastly, don't give up. As you saw from my experience, there were some ups and some downs, but I didn't let that discourage me and keep me from trying new things and staying persistent. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you if you're a small creator who's trying to figure out how to make money on YouTube. Thank you for sticking around if you've watched this far into the video. I hope I was able to give you more value than what you expected. And if you want to learn more about my journey, you can join my free newsletter with the link down below, where I'll be sharing more in-depth lessons and experiences that I wasn't able to cover in this video. Thanks for your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.